f(x) is equal to this function. We want to draw graph of y is equal to f(x). Before drawing graph, we will have to make some idea about this function. We will have to collect some information relating to the graph of this function. For that purpose, first we will write this function after removing mod written here. When x is positive, then mod x is equal to x. Therefore, x mod x will be equal to x square. Multiplying both sides by x, we get x mod x is equal to x square. Therefore, this function f(x) will be equal to x square sin 1 by x when x is positive. f(x) will be 0 when x is equal to 0, and when x is negative, then mod x is equal to minus x. Multiplying both sides by x, we get x mod x is equal to minus x square. Therefore, f(x) will be minus x square sin 1 by x when x is negative. This is f(x). This is f(x) means this function. This function has been written in this form after removing mod written here. Sin 1 by x lies between minus 1 and 1. When x is positive, x square will be positive. Multiplying each by x square, minus 1 times x square means minus x square, less than equal to x square times sin 1 by x, x square sin 1 by x, less than equal to x square times 1 will be equal to x square. If we multiply each of these three by minus 1, then minus 1 times minus x square plus x square. And since we are multiplying by a negative number, therefore this inequality will reverse, greater than equal to minus 1 times this minus x square sin 1 by x greater than equal to minus 1 times x square minus x square. This result can be written like this: minus x square less than equal to minus x square sin 1 by x less than equal to this will be, this is less than equal to x square, less than equal to x square. Thus we see that x square sin 1 by x lies in minus x, lies between minus x square and x square. That means this expression lies between minus x square and x square, and this expression also lies between minus x square and x square. By this dotted line we denote x-axis. By this dotted line we denote y-axis. This dotted curve is y is equal to x square parabola. This dotted curve is y is equal to minus x square parabola. Sin 1 by x, value of sin 1 by x will change from minus 1 to 1, then again from 1 to minus 1, then again from minus 1 to 1, and so on. When value of sin 1 by x is 1, then x square sin 1 by x will be equal to x square. That means graph of y is equal to fx will touch this parabola. When value of sin 1 by x is minus 1, then x square sin 1 by x will be minus x square. Therefore, graph of y is equal to fx will touch this parabola. Similarly, this will again touch this parabola, then again touch this parabola, something like this. Similarly, when value of sin 1 by x is minus 1, then value of this is plus x square. Therefore, graph of y is equal to fx will touch this parabola. Then again it will touch this parabola, then again this parabola, and so on. This curve denoted by deep line, deep writing, is graph of y is equal to fx.